I have LENOVO Vibe P1 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use apps icon. Here let's find and select the settings. Then you need to scroll down and here let's tap language and input. Here let's tap language on the top of the screen, and as you can see, this is the full list of available languages that you can use. In my case, let me choose Espanol, so the Spanish, and as you can see, I just switch my language to Spanish, so the whole list of settings and also apps are in Spanish. If you would like to go back to previous version to the English one, let's just simply find and select here the configuration, scroll down, tap idioma y entrada right here, tap idioma again, and now all you need to do is simply choose English from United States. That's it, now you can use your English version. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.